Did you know that under eating can lead to weight gain? Most women don't even realize that they're doing it. When calories go too low, your metabolism doesn't speed up, it slows down. Your thyroid slows down, your digestion slows down, your hunger signals disappear, and your body starts storing everything. Restoring your metabolism brings your body back online. You don't need another diet. You don't need more drugs. You just need to learn how to fuel the body, to adapt your metabolism, raise up your basal metabolic rate so your body can thrive instead of survive. I'm Dr. Liz, and I help women restore their metabolic health.